the LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Straight Talk LG Stylo 4. So as you guys can see here, I took a couple screenshots of the Stylo 4. Before I get further into the video, I'd like to give a big shout out to HuntsTech Reviews. So shout out to him. He did an unboxing of the Straight Talk Stylo 4. So check out his video. His video will be linked in the description of this video. So subscribe to him on YouTube as well and help him out and get him more subscribers. Alright. So he did an unboxing of the Stylo 4 for Straight Talk, and he is pretty disappointed in the storage. So y'all guys will see the front of the box right here. It says LG Stylo 4 Straight Talk, of course. It has the Verizon map, so the Straight Talk Stylo 4 runs off Verizon Tower, so that's good. But the specs right there, right? Let's see if I can zoom in here for y'all guys. And y'all guys will see right there, 6.2 inch touchscreen, Android 8.1 Oreo, 16 gigabytes of fucking storage. Yes, that's the big con on this phone. 16 fucking gigabytes of storage. Fuck that, man. And I heard that Straight Talk wants $200 for this phone. Fuck that. It has the same specs as the Stylo 4. It pretty much has everything else except for the memory. It's cut in half from 32 gigs to 16 gig, and Straight Talk wants $200 for it. No, you can buy unlike the LG Stylo 4 and bring the Straight Talk and have better specs on unlike the Stylo 4. And it also has a 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front facing wide angle camera. It has Wi-Fi, of course, and it has the stylus pen. I don't know what color this phone is. I don't know what color this phone is. From what I heard, I think it's like a rose gold. Probably. It's kind of hard to tell. So yeah, man. I mean, that's just disappointing, guys. That's some of the specs right there. And if I go back one more, here are some more specs here. I'm gonna give you guys more specs on it. Y'all guys will see right here. It has 4G LTE, of course. It runs off of Verizon Towers. It has Android 8.1 Oreo, 6.2 inch touchscreen display, battery talk time up to 13 hours, standby time up to 8 days, Wi-Fi capable, 16 gigabytes of internal storage. And I heard that 10 gigabytes are gone. When you guys have to find out that box, you're left with about 6 gigs available to you. So that's a major fail. It has dimensions right there. It has access to over 1 million apps and more in the Play Store. Supports micro SD cards up to 2 terabytes, 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front facing wide angle camera, GPS, 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, Bluetooth 4.2, and all of that good stuff. And the biggest con on this phone is the internal memory. 16 gigs instead of the 32 gigs on other carriers like Cricket, Boost, Metro PCS, Sprint, and others. This one's not gonna have fast charging, so there's no fast charging. There's no NFC. It's basically your fucking watered down version of the Stylo 4. Straight Talk did this with the Stylo 2. If you guys remember the Stylo 2 from Straight Talk, it had Android 5.1 Lollipop, while the Stylo 2 on Boost, Virgin, Cricket, Metro PCS, and other carriers had Android Marshmallow 6.0. The Straight Talk Stylo 2 had 5.1 Lollipop, so Straight Talk's like, I don't know why Straight Talk's doing this. That's stupid, and they want $200 for it. Fuck that, dude. You can go to Metro PCS and get a Stylo 4 for $30 if you guys put your number over to Metro PCS. Get a Stylo 4 Metro PCS, gets fast charging NFC for $30 if you put your number over to Metro PCS. I mean, I'm very disappointed in Straight Talk. This Stylo 4 is a nice phone, but these specs, I mean, they're the same as the other Stylo 4s out there, but the only difference is the memory is 16 gigs instead of 32 gigs, and you get about 6 gigs available to you to use out of the box. So 10 gigabytes is taken up. I don't know where the 10 gigabytes is going. So that's a fail right there. So if you guys want to get a Stylo 4 in Straight Talk, do not get the Stylo 4. Don't get it. If you guys want to use a Stylo 4 in Straight Talk, get an unlike Stylo 4 that has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage, and bring that bitch up to Straight Talk and you'll be a lot happier. I think the unlike Stylo 4 is like $300, but it's worth $300 to get the unlike Stylo 4 for like 300 bucks. It's worth it. 200 for this fucking crap? Fuck no. I mean, I don't know why Straight Talk did this. I mean, shame on Straight Talk, shame on TrackFan, shame on LG, shame on LG for making this version. Like, you're not getting nothing special. You're getting watered down. You're getting no fast charging, no NFC, nothing. You're basically getting fucked here. So, like I said, if you guys want a Stylo 4 and Straight Talk, don't buy a Stylo 4 from Straight Talk. Don't buy the Stylo 4 version. I mean, don't buy the Straight Talk version of the Stylo 4. Get an unlike Stylo 4, bring it to Straight Talk, and you'll be a lot happier. I mean, this is ridiculous. Everything else is the same, specs wise, it's everything the same. 3300 battery, 2 GB of RAM. But that memory though, in 2018, on a phone like this, no, this reminds me of the Stylo 2 from 2016 when Straight Talk released it with 5.1 Lollipop. And I don't even think the Straight Talk Stylo 2 got 6.0. I don't think it never got it. But this is ridiculous, man. I mean, when Straight Talk got the Stylo 3 last year, they didn't dumb down the specs. The specs were the same thing. The specs were the same on all Stylo 3s, except for the T-Mobile Mitch PSS, version. Straight Talk did not water down the Stylo 3. Why the fuck did they water down the Stylo 4? I don't fucking know. People are not gonna buy this phone. People are not gonna buy it. If you buy this phone for 200 bucks, you are a fucking idiot, and you're stupid for paying 200 bucks for a phone that has 16 gigabytes of storage. You're stupid. It's not worth it. If this was a free phone, I mean, yeah, try it out. But like I said, guys, you're only getting 6 gigabytes to use out of the box. Just 10 gigabytes is taken up by the OS and other shit. I wanna where all the 10 gigabytes is going. I wanna where it's going. You're getting nothing special here. You're getting nothing special. It's all watered down. Like, what the fuck, Straight Talker? What the fuck, dude? You expect people to pay 200 bucks for a Stylo 4 that has 16 gigabytes of storage, where you can go to Metro PCS, get one for 180 if you're a current customer, or get one for 30 bucks if you put your number over the Metro PCS. You can get a Boost Mobile Stylo 4 for 130, a Cricket Stylo 4 for 229, but you get 3 gigabytes of RAM on the Cricket Stylo 4. For 229 on Cricket, 3 gigs of RAM on the Cricket Stylo 4, but you get no fast charge, no NFC, none of this shit. You're basically just buying a watered down Stylo 4, which is very disappointing. I'm very disappointed in Straight Talk. I'm very disappointed in LG. They have to stop making these fucking different variations of the phones. They gotta stop. And Straight Talk needs to get their head out their ass. If they want to get people on their services, they need to make phones that are spec pretty good, price pretty good, because no one's not gonna pay 200 bucks for a Stylo 4 that's 200 bucks, where you can go to Boost and get one for 130, Metro PCS for 29 bucks if you put your number over the Metro, Cricket 229 for 3 gigabytes of RAM, Boost 130, and stuff like that. So, like I said, guys, if you guys pay 200 bucks for a Stylo 4 and Straight Talk, you're an idiot, because everything else is the same. You are getting 8.1, that's good. At least they didn't dumb that shit down, because like I said, they dumbed down the Stylo 2. They put 5.1 on that phone, and every other Stylo 2 had 6.0. The Straight Talk version had 5.1. I don't even know if it got 6.0. I don't even know if it ever got the update, but this is just ridiculous, man. This is just fucking ridiculous. I know most of you guys will agree with me that this is just bullshit. This is just like, what the fuck, Straight Talk, what the fuck? And I mean, I wonder whose idea was to put 16 gigabytes of storage in the Straight Talk Stylo 4. Was it Straight Talk's idea? Was it LG's idea? I would like to know who. But if you guys want to get a Stylo 4 and Straight Talk, do not buy the Straight Talk Stylo 4. Get an unlike Stylo 4, I think it's like 300, because it has better specs, and you'll be happy with that. This phone's not worth 200 bucks. It's not worth it. If it was free, I mean, you could try it out. But like I said, you're only getting 6 gigabytes to use out of the box. So that's a big fail as well. So shame on you, Straight Talk. Shame on you, LG. And what the fuck were you thinking, Straight Talk? Why did you do this to the people? Why did you do this to the Stylo 4? Stylo 4 is a great phone, looks nice and everything else. But man, Straight Talk, you really fucked up. You really fucked up on this one. You really fucked up on a great phone. I'm just disappointed in you, Straight Talk and LG. So what are you guys' thoughts about this watered down Stylo 4 for Straight Talk? $200 for it? No thanks. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.